Welcome. If you're tired of constantly switching to desktop mode on websites using Google Chrome, you'll love how easy it is to make desktop sites the default on your device. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable desktop site mode by default in Google Chrome, so every site loads just like it would on your computer. Let's dive right in. First, open the Google Chrome app on your Android device. Make sure you're running the latest version for the best experience and newest features. Now look at the top right corner of your screen. Tap the three-dot menu icon to open the main menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings. This is where you can customize how Chrome works for you. Inside the Settings menu, scroll until you find Site Settings under the Advanced section. Tap on it. This section controls how websites behave and display in your browser. Next, keep scrolling until you see the option labeled Desktop Site. Tap on Desktop Site to open its settings. Here's the important part. You'll see a toggle switch for Desktop Site. Simply turn this switch on. Once enabled, Chrome will automatically request the desktop version of every website you visit, instead of the mobile version. That's it. From now on, every time you browse the web, Chrome will load the full desktop versions of your favorite sites by default. No more pinching and zooming or hunting for the desktop site option every time you visit a new page. If you ever want to switch back to mobile view for certain sites, you can add exceptions right from this menu. Just tap Add Site Exception and enter the web address you want to always open in mobile mode. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more simple tech tips. Enjoy browsing with the full power of desktop sites right from your phone.